All right, next step is to bring in some more assets from our asset folder. I'm just going to go ahead, double click on the application layer inside Photoshop. I'm going to shift select two pieces of artwork, the two of the fives that are sitting there. I want to do the same thing as we did with the world and bring them into this area. In fact, we could do the exact same technique with this number 5. So why not give that a crack? Command R to turn on the rulers and drag and so on. That'll do the same sort of thing for us. However, if you're a bit more of a thrill seeker, type M to make sure, or Shift M to make sure you've got the elliptical marquee. And this time what we might do is hold down the Shift key, click and drag. I can see that my selection is a little bit off center, so this time while I'm still holding down the mouse or the pen, I'm going to throw in the space bar, which allows me to, insert creeping across the bottom of the screen, allows me to reposition the selection while it's live. Okay, I'll try that again. Command D, shift dragging my selection and holding down the Shift key to reposition it allows me to get it repositioned right in the middle there. Now if I throw in the Option key as well, I can get even more control, dragging from the inside out. Let's get him over there. There he is. Now that can take a little bit of practice, but well worth it. Combining keys together there, the Shift key for constrain, the Option key to constrain from the center out, and the space bar to enable us to move around a live selection. Okay, so I'm going to grab the Move tool. Once again, because it's selected on a single layer, it'll look like it's kind of cutting it away until we get it into the other document. Oh, there it is, it's quite big. Don't need to save that. Okay, that'll be useful. I'm going to go and grab this other 5 as well. Now this one is a little bit trickier. We need to think about using a different technique because of its irregular shape.